Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Safari browser on Mac is running slow, websites are not loading properly, or you are seeing old version of pages, then the problem might be the browser cache. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in Safari on Mac step by step. This can help fix many browsing issues and also improve Safari performance. So let's get started. First, open your Safari browser. Let me tell you in a very short what is Safari cache before we begin. Okay, cache is temporary data that Safari stores from websites you visit. This includes things like images, scripts and other website files. The purpose of cache is to load websites faster the next time you visit them. However, over time, this cache data can become outdated or corrupted, which may cause problems like website not loading correctly, old content showing on pages, Safari running slower, and many more. Okay, let's fix this issue. First, what you have to do, just click on this Safari. You can see here preferences. Click on preferences. Now you can see here many tabs here. Just click on this advanced tab here. Now you can see here many things written here, many functions. You can see here show features for web developers. I have enabled it. If you have not enabled this, just click enable this feature first. Now on top side you can see here that develop option is here. When you untick this, there is no develop option. If you tick this, you can see here a develop option. Now click this on develop option. Now drag down, you can see here, click here, it is written here empty caches. Okay, just click on this empty caches and all set. Your Safari cache is clean. Okay, and that's how you can clear cache in Safari on your Mac. This simple step can help fix many browsing issues and also improve Safari performance. If you found this video very helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.